Hey guys, so today we're going to be working with the beautiful Outre Mytresses Black Label here. It's 100% unprocessed human weaving here, and today we're going to be working with the straight. It also comes in body wave, and she's wearing the lengths 14, 16, and 18 together with a 4x4 closure, and this also comes with a 13x4 closure. It comes with a 3x6 closure, but we're going to use a 4x4, and all of these came in one package. You only need one pack. So if you would like to see the installment of this here, just keep watching. Guys, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and braid her hair down. We're going to do a full sew-in. We're going to sew in the closure and everything. The closure comes with an elastic band, so you have the 4x4 closure, but there's an elastic band right around it, so it helps keep it in place. It helps keep it nice and tight, which I really love about the Mytress here. It comes with an elastic band. You don't have to go out and buy any extra elastic band to keep your closure down tight. It's already in the package for a very reasonable price, so it's already there. Perfect, you know. Even if you're doing your sewing yourself, you can always use the band just to help keep things in place while you sew it down, which is perfect. I really love that about the Mytress here. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna braid her hair down, and then I'll show you the braid pattern in a little while. So this is a braid pattern that I decided to use. This way everything is flat and neat. I left a little bit of her edges out just to help in the blending process afterwards, and I also stitched the extra piece of braid, the leftover, around the rest of the braid that I braided down, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so everything is actually flat. There's no leftover. So I actually used one of those mesh nets. That helps in keeping the hair tight onto there. I love using the mesh nets, to be honest, because I just love how well it holds after you sew the hair on. I think it holds a lot better. It lasts, your sewing lasts longer, and there's less irritation, okay, and less tension on your hair itself. So I love using the mesh net. But I'm just going to go ahead, sew the mesh net down, and you guys will see how I sew it down, and then I'll go ahead and start installing the closure. So this is a closure with the elastic band that I was talking about. I love the fact that the elastic band is already attached to the closure. It's perfect. I can't stress that enough, how much I love how the elastic band is attached to it. It lays really flat when you put it on, so you're able to line it up and you don't have to use anything to, you know, keep it in place while you adjust it and everything like that. Is perfect. I love that. But also it's a full lace closure, as you can tell, so you can part it basically wherever you want to. We forgot to show that part, but we actually added, instead of bleaching the knots, we actually added makeup, like foundation powder underneath it, the same way like you would do with a lace front wig or something. We added foundation powder underneath the closure just so it matches better with her complexion, instead of having to go through the process of actually bleaching the knots. But you can definitely bleach the knots if you want to, but you know, that's just an easy way of making things faster if you want to do it that way. Or if you don't know how to bleach the knots and you're going to do it at home, it's easier that way. You can just always use makeup. The closure comes with some baby hairs at the front that makes it even more natural. So basically I measured it, and I'm just gonna sew it down, make sure everything stays in place, and move on from there. So after the closure is installed, we're going to go ahead and install the bundles. I'm going to install the 18-inch first, then the 16, then the 14, just so we have that gradient layered look. So we ended up cutting out the elastic band as well, because I stitched it down so good, so it was really flat that we didn't need the elastic band. But you can always leave it just for added security. You can always leave it just so it helps it lay down a lot flatter at the front. But yeah, we just decided to cut it out, so it doesn't really matter. You could continue using it or not. It's really up to you. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and sew the bundles down. Like I said, we started with the 18-inch, then we went to the 16, then the 14, because we kind of want that layered effect. If you want it shorter or you want that blunt look, you can start with the 14 at the back, then go up to the 16, then the 18. It's really up to you and the style you're looking for. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and stitch the hair down. So I decided to do the fold over method at the back, and as I got to the front I decided to cut the wefts. That way it lays a lot flatter at the front. That's just my technique, but a lot of people do the fold over method right through, but it's really up to you what you want to do. And I always say that it's up to you, whatever floats your boat, you can do that. So that's just what I did. And afterwards I went ahead and I flat ironed the hair. It's super soft, you guys. This hair is so soft. As fast as I was sewing the hair in, I was just touching on it because it's so soft. It's really soft, and I love that about it. And even then I was brushing it and I wasn't getting any shedding at all. So in 2 weeks time, well, probably in a week and 2 weeks, we'll keep giving you guys updates. So we're gonna make an updated video probably in a week time, just so you know how it holds up. But hopefully the shedding should be good, because I haven't got any shedding at all even after I cut the wefts. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so we're gonna give you guys updates on all that good stuff. So guys, we've come to the end of a little tutorial slash demo, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out Mytress here on our website on WigTypes.com. It's very reasonable and you only need 1 pack to do your hair. So it's very reasonable, high quality, and like I said, we'll give you guys updates, so stay tuned for the updates on the hair. As you can tell, she's loving it. She's loving it, and I'm loving it also. It's really pretty, really soft, and I can't wait to give you guys updates on this hair. So anyway, take care guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye bye.